Welcome back to Garage K. Welcome back to Garage K. When am I going to start doing that?
And it looks like it's going to have to be modified straight out of the packet. So what's unusual about that?
Check that out. Ouch. That was from, like, what would you call it? A burr on a wheel stud today that I dragged my arm across, tore it to bits. Welcome back to Garage K. On this episode, I'm going to continue cleaning the Every van, and then we're going to have a look inside of it. On this roof, already started. You can see it's pretty bad up here. It's still just surface rust, but yeah, it will need sanding right back to bare metal and then repainting. You can see on that corner there the amount of gunk that was there before I blasted it. Sunroof. These things are cool, although they're coming off. You can see the rust running down the roof from them. The paint's missing here. That's probably from me using the high pressure hose on it, but that's just what you get. Comes with the territory on a Suzuki, especially on a roof as bad as this. Okay. Alright, you've seen it. You can put it away. A regular washing and polishing would have prevented all of this. car looks like. Alright, so I'm already working in the dark. The outside's done. just finished blasting it with the gurney, if you're Australian, the high pressure hose, if you're from anywhere else. I thought I'd talk about this wet vac. If you don't have one of these, pick one up, because once you've filled your car full of water, this will help. It'll suck the water out and all the gunk with it. So a very useful tool. I can't really film in this light, but we'll give it a go. Something like that to start with. Okay, just pulling up this carpet because it's wet, hasn't been drying out, so obviously there's a leak in here. I'm pretty sure I know where it is. It's not a huge deal. Did find this, which I'm not very happy about, but it is still only surface rust, so I'll sand it and put some primer on it. Should be fine. Same deal on the other side. To get this carpet out, you need to cut it here, otherwise it won't free up from the automatic shifting linkage crap. Yeah. I just gave this a bit of a wipe with a rag there, and you can see it's coming up really, really nicely. Again, it is only that part there, and it's only surface rust, so no problem. Yeah, the elephant in the room. As much as I love this old thing, it can't stay there. It's got to go. This wiring is not, what's the best word? Not acceptable to me, so it has to all be removed. Maybe I'll put it back in for nostalgia later on, but for now it needs to come out. Okay, I started removing the wire, and I decided I had to film this because, see that black wire? Now I removed the screw. I haven't lifted up this plastic panel to have a look yet, but it does sort of seem like that's been used as an earth. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's not the recommended way to make an earth. You don't ever do that. That's bad. Okay. Yeah. All right. Fuck me. Well, I found the brains of the operation. It's up underneath the dash behind the glove box. All seems fairly straightforward to remove. Lots of cool stuff on this. Like, this could be used for something else. The fact that it actually works. This is a TV tuner. So a TVE T006. So I don't know, this might come back into the truck, into the van. This might come back into the van at some point, doing something other than what it's doing now, which is supplying this screen. We'll see. Now that's obviously not OEM, but it fits in there so damn well. I'm almost tempted to leave it there if I can get it to sound any good. I'm not sure what kind of speakers are going on up in there, but it sounds like crap at the moment. Yeah. Okay, I thought I'd seen everything, but I've never seen this before. Oh, I've never seen that before. The wires have been soldered in there, like, someone's actually gone to the effort of soldering these wires in rather than finding a plug that would fit. That's impressive. That's really impressive. Like, yeah, I don't know if I could even do that. This radio bracket is epic though. I never had one of these in my carry or in the other Every. Radio bracket is dope. Don't know where that came from, don't know why it fits. But yeah, this wiring job is it's mentionable. Very interesting. Just found this weird looking group of wires under the dash too, and that says to me turbo timer. I haven't confirmed that yet, but it certainly looks that way. Let's quickly remove that before we have any starting issues. Yeah, here it is. Here's the turbo timer. Look at these. Oh, what was that tick noise? Scary. These yellow things are like hardcore versions of Scotch locks. Wow, they're just as horrible as Scotch locks. Can we get a close look at this? Oh, yeah, fuck me. Okay. I might just, leave them there and then unplug this and then forget that I ever saw it. Because that's just horrible. Holy shit. Okay. And there's another wire going up. Oh, okay. Oh, yep. This wire, this one that I just pulled out, was just sort of laying on top of the carpet when I bought the car, so I'm not sure what it was going to. But yeah. Okay. So, turbo timer removed. So, another don't do this is this earth that's going on here. Oh, okay. Yeah, just don't do that. This is the wiring disaster that just keeps on giving. So yeah, don't yeah, don't do that. I'm gonna have to fix that shit. I know I say it all the time, but this is going to be difficult for you to see. The reason I hate Scotch locks so much is when I've just removed one here and I can see that on this speed sensor wire, there is one strand of wire left connecting this up. So probably going to have a problem in the future unless I cut it back and then rejoin it. Whereas if it had been soldered, you know, it would have been fine. Fuck Scotch locks. I have to leave these two here because it's just a disaster if I don't. That is it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, smash it, hit that like button hard. If you'd like to see what I do next, or you'd like to win something in your future, in your future, it could be your future to win something if you're subscribed. So subscribe as well. Oh, Ted's here. Hey, Ted. This is the Copen. It's ready to go. The Copen from the last competition. It wasn't really a competition, the last giveaway. It's here. You notice there's something wrong with this envelope? There's no address on it because he hasn't contacted me. I guess I'll give it to someone else. I don't know. I don't know how long I'll hold it for without an address on it. Someone who's watching the videos, likes and comments, might like it better. I don't know. Look, there's the look. Hey, I even put a sticker in there. Old mate's just gone. He's not. He never. No show. So I don't know. I'll give that a few more days or something, and then if he doesn't claim it, then I guess I'll give it to someone else who does want it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? How long should I keep a giveaway before giving it to someone else? Don't know. Maybe old mate's just been busy. Who knows? Anyway, check out the description. There's always something interesting in there. It's got links to the social medias and things like that. Yeah, it details on how to get your name on the door, which is in the intro. Go to garagek.com and pick yourself up a sticker to help support me. Yeah, help me buy some Band-Aids. Alright, that's it. See you later.